Hello, welcome to Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. Today I'm going to talk about the top 5 mattresses of 2019. Full disclosure, I'm going to talk about the top 5 beds that were sold here at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Number 1 on our list, the Pro Adapt Medium Hybrid. That bed, ever since it hit our floor, has been number 1 in sales. It has the best of both worlds, as it has memory foam on top, and then it has the support of a traditional innerspring, but pocketed coils. And it's kind of in the middle of the price point at $29.99. Every now and then you'll get a couple rebates during holidays, so keep that as a pro tip. And then number 2 for 2019 is the Stearns & Foster Rockwell. The Stearns & Foster Rockwell is a pillow top. Our version is the pillow top that's number 2. That comes in at $19.99. Sometimes is on special as well. It's a traditional innerspring, so it has the true pillow top, and then it also has hybrid innersprings as well, or pocketed innersprings rather. Sorry about that. But that's our number 2 bed sold for 2019. And then number 3, no surprise, the Adapt Medium Hybrid, which is a slight step below the number 1 bed, the Pro Adapt, and now the Adapt. The Adapt, also hybrid, has the same comfort of Tempur-Pedic or specialty memory foam, and then it has hybrid innersprings, or sorry, pocketed coil innersprings below. Number 4, the Copper Plush, the Copper 2 Plush, that released 2 years ago, and it's still one of the top beds. For the longest time, it was one of our number 1 selling beds, but it's getting a little old, but still top 4 for 2019. And lastly, coming from Stearns & Foster, the Hurston Cushion Firm. The Hurston Cushion Firm, great bed, comes in at $14.99 on special. It has pocketed coils as well. It's a cushion firm though, so it's in the middle for those back sleepers or those stomach sleepers. And then lastly, our up and coming mattresses for 2020 are Mattress King's Choice Collection. We have the Long's Peak Hybrid. No surprise, a lot of hybrids in the top beds for 2019, as hybrids are kind of the thing these days. They have the best of both worlds with the comfort of memory foam and the support of a traditional hybrid. And then we have a tight top plush from the King's Choice Collection as well. These are fresh into 2019. We got them in around May. Up and coming. Wouldn't be surprised if these will be in our top of the 2020 list for next year. So thank you for tuning in for Pillow Talk with the Mattress King. I'll see you guys next week.